Okay, so we have to change the blade. This blade was used for a long time, guys. I even flipped this blade over and used it again, because it's hard to find these certain come on out here. You know, it's hard to find these. I remember one I had to drill holes in just to be able to use this system. But I found a bunch of old razor blades and storage units. And I don't have too many of these. So when you're at Home Depot, look at that blade. That's a very worn blade. I don't know if you can see that. Very worn. If you can see that edge at all. It's all missing, especially here. Very worn in here, in here, in here, very well. We got our new one. You can see what they look like, guys, okay? It's just, you gotta have them two holes. See? The two holes there. Yeah, these are kind of old, but I think you can still get these. These were, they say made in USA. But now they're probably all made in freaking China. That's how far back these go. I don't know if you can read that. It says made in USA. So, US steel right there. I don't know what I'm going to do if I need to, if they don't make these anymore, but I'll rig up something for them. I'll find a way to get it done. I think they still make these, guys. You just gotta look hard. I mean, we lost Craftsman, we lost Sears. You know, you just gotta look. They're a little tough probably to find, but search everywhere for them. Hardware store, wherever you can. Okay, we're gonna start with this one, but since it's sharp, what I'll do is just run this a little bit, get the kinks out of it real quick. All right, let's see what we could do here, guys. Wow, new blade works great. Sounds like I'm doing a lot of cutting. I'm cutting some of them, of course, but you're not going to cut all of them. Jeez, that one's just about done. Do the other end, which is good enough. Again, bend, pop out, reverse it. Try to reverse it as much as possible. Pull it out. Of course, you want to get all the remaining bits and pieces together for your final pull and twist. Comes right out. Okay. There we go. Whatever little bit of waste is still around, you could just pick it off like so. Done. You get a little egg, a little nest egg of copper right there. They add up. I'll try a white one. Try a white one real quick. This is what I've been doing today. The dumpster dive really got me screwed up, guys, because the cameras where there weren't cameras and all the dumpsters were padlocked. I don't know if that's a law. I mean, We gotta look for some new areas. Boom, look at that. Nice. New blades, man, great. Okay, twist and bend. You know the deal, twist, bend, and pull. I always try to work that one area and then just pull. Okay. Just get what you can, guys. You know. Boom. Nice, look at that. So now you see the difference between a good blade and a bad blade. And whoa, look at that copper. Boom. Very, very good, guys. So when I utilize this space, this space, this space, and I still have to mark them with the marker, then I'm going to flip it over. And that's going to give me access to different parts of the blade. Pretty genius idea I came out with for the three slots here, because you're utilizing more of the blades instead of one spot. We got 3 spots. That's about all. I mean, you might be able to do another spot here, but it's going to get kind of funky if you try. So flip this. We could use part of that blade over here. This one, we could use part of that over there. So it's really pretty cool. Now you can take this and put it back in your knife, and you can still use this to cut with. It's still going to be able to cut, guys. You don't have to throw these away. This will still cut, believe me. This will open packages, no problem. Will still work. Don't throw them away. Save them for a utility knife.